Hey everyone, it's Joanne. I want you to see my go-to tool for squeezing every last drop from lemons, limes, oranges, and more. I am obsessed because this tool gives me the maximum juice with zero mess. There's no pulp, there's no seeds, there's no splash, just pure fresh juice in seconds. This tool is built to last as well. I usually just take, in this case, a lime, break it in half, place it face down. It's got nice little holes in the bottom. Bring it together and squeeze. Look at all that juice that comes out of there. Oh my goodness. There's no fuss for cleanup either. You just use soapy water or pop it in the dishwasher like I do. This is a must-have for any kitchen. It's good for making margaritas, for marinating with a citrus, or making my favorite, which is guacamole. This has been the go-to in my kitchen for making the fresh guacamole. This juicer has been essential. I have the yellow, but there's other colors to choose from to match your kitchen colors if you'd like. It's so solid. It's durable. This has lasted me for years. I love it.